Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny. I'm from Jenny Card Designs. My YouTube channel contains content that is intended to share paper crafting, tutorials, and inspiration with all of you. I hope that you enjoy. In today's video, we're going to be continuing on with the Jenny's Junk Journal series. Hello everyone. I just wanted to pop in today to show you my completed Jenny's Junk Journal project from our previous video and just give you a look over how I've designed this book, and I have one other project to share with you today. Okay, so here is our completed book. In the previous video and part number 3, I showed you how to create this book and the layout, and now what I've done is just went ahead and used the leftover scraps. Now in an upcoming video I'm going to show you how to make these tags. So what I've done is I filled the book with tags and used the leftover scraps to accent the tags so that they match the coordinating page. So this is also a scrap that I've glued onto the front and just added a little peel off sticker here to create sort of the separation of that page on the pocket. So we'll just stick that back and we'll go through here. So this is what I mean here. We use the scraps to accent the pocket or the tag in the pocket. And I've done that for all of them. And then I've punched a little hole here and put a coordinating color cardstock in the pocket there. Now for this, I used this 5/8 of an inch circle punch and just used it halfway to punch those holes. Okay, here's the next page. And now if you'll notice, the color of the page is the color of the little tag that I've put inside the pocket. So I've done the same thing. And again, I used some little peel off stickers. And another little pocket there. And I had a leftover scrap of paper there, so I did an extra tag in this one. And same thing. And there we go. Finished project. So cute little flip book that you can use for recipes, or you can fill it with pictures or things like that, or little notes to yourself. And so I have another project that I made the exact same way. I just have a few different variations that I've added to it. So for this one, I added some lace to the binding just to cover that up. And then I also created a little paper clip pencil and I've tied the same lace around it. And for this one, I added paper clips to the little tags and left the pocket open so that you can slip whatever you like inside of there. So this one is a little bit more vintage sort of looking, but still true to my style of a Jenny's Junk Journal. Again, same thing. Oh, I forgot to show you the little pockets. So in the little pocket here, if I can get it out, I have tags with a little bit of lace around them to coordinate with the book. Now, in this pocket here, I only punched out one side of the cardstock so that the other side doesn't have the finger hole. Sometimes I find that when I try to slip my cardstock back in, it was catching on the other part of that little finger hole. So if I just do one side, I find it easier to be able to grab stuff and pull it out and slip it back in. So I've done the same thing for the rest of the book. There's our little, this one's upside down. With our pockets and our tags. And this is a really cute butterfly pattern. So gorgeous. I really like this paper pack. I'll see if I can grab that for you and show you what it was from. Okay, so that is our 2 completed 8.5 by 11 sheet junk journals. For our navy and cream book, I use this paper. This is a pack that I got from Michaels. I can't guarantee that they have it in stock or anything. I couldn't even tell you when I bought it. So I just like to flip through them when I'm shopping around, and if there's patterns in it that pique my interest, then I pick them up. I really like this bird with the gold accents in it. So I think that's what caught my eye for this paper pack. It's a lot of lovely elements in it. And some nice cut apart sheets that you could cut them out and put them in the pockets of your book. Okay, so that's a look at the paper pack that I used. You could use any type of paper pack for your book. So this one here is something I picked up from somebody's D-stash. So I bought a bunch of stuff from a local buy and sell, and this was in it, and I really like the sort of vintagey looking patterns inside of it. It's fairly old, I believe, but there's some nice elements in it, and I used up most of it for this book here. It's I love that music background and a lot of textured looking papers in it. And this book is just about had its day, but this is from Momenta cardstock. That's about all what we've got here. Momenta.com. Maybe that might help. You take a look there. See if there's a Facebook page there too if you're interested. Actually, this is 2013, so it's quite old. But maybe you can find something similar if you like this style. So that's about it for this little quick video. Now I've got a couple of projects coming up that are variations of our junk journals, and I hope that you will check those out. And if you haven't had a chance to see the previous videos, I'll have a playlist linked in the top right corner here of the videos that we've had so far in the junk journals. Hey, thanks for watching today. I appreciate you spending your time with me. Coming up on screen are a few videos that I think you may enjoy. If you haven't already, I would love for you to click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and join me along my paper crafting journey. So have yourself a lovely day, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!